I don't know if AI has feelings, but I don't think so.
Tech isn't the boss of us, and we need to position ourselves as humans, as the creative force.
Filmmakers are innovators, adapting to new technology, from portable cameras to digital to AI. And the fear that it would kill cinema is nothing new. Do you know what it is?
Let me hold it again.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a 16mm. I shot my first film. Where AI, I guess, is doing heavy lifting is that it's allowing us to test faster and fail faster. If you use it for creating pitch documents, that then you can go and get the money to pay the animators and artists to create the character.
AI can only do as much as what we give them. So if we kind of think more creatively and have a story and kind of hone into like personal experience, there's only so much that AI can do because they're not living the experience.
What would you ideally like to be doing with like more of the creative aspect or time that you would get back?
I think definitely just spending time with the team and having like a real vision of what we're doing and like really getting that emotional input into the films.